Good morning. Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles. And do you need that snack for your kids? This is the perfect one for summer. Julie Brown, one of the 4-H Youth Development Agents here in Warren County, is going to share a great snack with us. Thanks for being here today, Julie.
Not a problem. Glad to be here. So yes, I want to talk about some snacks. At the Extension Office, we always about, doing nutrition classes and things like that. And this is a fun one that you can do with your kids at home. We have lots of these recipes that the university sends down that is kid-friendly recipes. Throughout the year when I go in the schools, this is one of the recipes that I'll do with the kids. And this is a really simple, easy recipe that you can do with your kids. And when I was putting it together yesterday, Christy, who was on earlier this week, she was like, we do all kinds of things with tortillas. And a lot of times when you think of tortillas, you think of more like lunch, supper type things. And this is a snack, or it could be a breakfast, a quick, simple, easy breakfast that you can do with your kids as well.
Absolutely. And some of these berries are in season, so it's perfect time of year.
And even with this, the berries I'm using, you could wait and, do apples, you could do peaches, you could do strawberries. Whatever's in season is something that you could put in this roll-up.
So it's very versatile.
It's very versatile.
Okay.
So you're going to need about a 6-inch flour tortilla. And then 2 tablespoons of strawberry cream cheese. Now, if you don't like strawberry cream cheese, you could do plain. There's blueberry. We all know there's all kinds of different flavors.
Yeah.
But even if a kid maybe even has a dairy allergy, you could probably do peanut butter, something like that, if they're not allergic to nuts. And you're going to spread this even all the way to the ends, because at the end, I will show you why you need to make sure that you take this to the ends of your tortilla.
Okay. And Julie, is this a no-cook recipe?
This is a no-cook. So this is a simple, with your 4- and 5-year-olds, even your 3-year-olds. This is a simple, recipe. I'm using a butter knife, so this is not going to cut them. You're just going to let them spread. And if they put more than 2 tablespoons, it'll be okay.
About.
So then pick out your berries. So I'm using blueberries and raspberries, and you're just going to, sprinkle them around. Don't put them all in the center. Just kind of sprinkle them around on your tortilla.
Okay. And is there a certain measurement, or you just kind of eyeball this too?
Well, it's supposed to be about 1/4 of a cup.
Okay.
But I'm all about eyeballing, and especially when you're working with kids, do things that they like. If their hands on, they're more likely they're going to eat it instead of looking at you going, I'm not touching that, Mom.
And maybe if you have an older child, it's a great way to teach them measurements and how to measure things, so it could be a good learning opportunity.
And then also you want to sprinkle granola on here, where this is going to add in your crunch to your berry roll-up crunch.
So this would be a perfect breakfast.
And if you don't like granola, you could do, Cheerios or something like that. And then you're just going to roll it up the same way you would roll up like a burrito or tortilla. And then the reason why you want to make sure that you put the cream cheese at the end is because you're going to pinch these to hold them together.
Oh, okay.
Chrissy
so
and I,
seal it up.
Yes, you're going to seal it up. Chrissy and I learned the hard way yesterday. We decided we wanted to sample it. And,
and all your berries fell out?
All of our berries fell out because we did not roll it up. So make sure you pinch it at the ends when you roll it up, and then you can just cut it so it's easier for them to handle. And you have your nice little berry roll-up.
Oh, it looks so good. And it's a real easy to-go recipe, too. You can take this in the car.
Yes.
If you're in a hurry trying to get the kids out. Now, can you make these in advance?
You could make these in advance. I made some of them yesterday in advance, and they've held up real nice. So you could do something in advance, if you need to make it the night before so you can get out. Another recipe we have at the office that I really like is a quesadilla, but it's a fruit quesadilla. And so you use the same tortillas, you put peanut butter on them, and then you put like bananas and strawberries, then you put them on the stove. So this is where you're going to need parents' help until you get them brown, like you would, a normal like cheese quesadilla or chicken quesadilla, and then you sprinkle cinnamon on them after they get brown, and then they have a nice warm quesadilla.
Yeah, all that ooey gooey peanut butter, bananas, it sounds great. Now, where did people get these recipes?
So they need to contact your local extension office. Even if you're not in Warren County, your local extension office will have these type of kid healthy recipes that they can give you, pass out. We have magazines, it's called the Chop Chop magazine, that we get a couple of times a year, and they have lots of kids activities and kid healthy, easy recipes that the kids can do at home as well.
And do we have quantities for like an entire classroom if somebody wanted those? So
we have plenty that we can always hand out. And even, contact your local extension office if you happen to be a school teacher and you're thinking about the beginning of, next school year. Contact us, because we can do nutrition classes in your classroom and help you out, because I know that's a lot of times, especially with family resources and guidance counselors, that's something that they're required to do. And they may not have, not saying that we have all the expertise, but they may not have, the information that they could pass out to their kids, and they can contact us and we can help them out.
And sometimes it's always fun to kind of bring somebody else in, especially when they bring treats like this.
Yes.
And
so kids like, you know, when I come in, they're like, oh, you're the food lady. I don't have a name. I'm not Miss Brown. I'm the food lady.
Well, Julie, I'm the food. I could be the food lady. So I appreciate you being on the show. And if you have any questions about healthy snacks for your kids, make sure to contact your local extension office, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.